Animal kingdom. Animal kingdom, multiple choice questions. Living organism differ in shape, form, size and habit. All of these living organisms differ in shape, form, size and habit, which is not a character of sponges. Multicellular, cells are functionally independent, cellular level of organization, tissue level of organization. Phylum Porifera, sponges can be considered as multicellular. Cells are functionally independent, that they have cellular level of organization, that they don't have tissues. Cells are present, but tissues are absent. So, tissue level of organization. Which phylum shows tissue level of organization? Phylum Protozoa, that is unicellular. Phylum Porifera, they have cellular grade of organization. Coelenterata, Coelenterata itself having tissue level of organization. So, Coelenterata. Organ system level of organization is not found in Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Platyhelminthes. Organ system level of organization is present from Aschelminthes to Chordata. Phylum Platyhelminthes is having just organ level of organization. So, organ level of organization, Platyhelminthes, that's why organ system level of organization is not found in phylum Platyhelminthes. Incomplete digestive tract, blind sac body plan is found in complete gut, which is from mouth to anus, is seen from Aschelminthes to Chordata. Phylum Platyhelminthes is having incomplete digestive tract. Closed type of circulatory system is present in closed type of circulatory system. Phylum Annelida is having closed type of circulatory system, but Arthropoda open vascular system. Here it is Arthropoda and Mollusca, both are having open vascular. Annelida closed vascular and Cephalopoda from phylum Chordata is also closed vascular. So our answer Annelida and Cephalopoda. Mollusks and echinoderms are even having open vascular system. In open type of circulatory system, blood flow in sinuses, blood pressure is low and irregular, and it is found in arthropods and mollusks except cephalopods. All are true. Here in open type of circulatory system, blood flow in sinuses, okay, blood pressure is low and irregular, then it is found in arthropods and mollusks, that not in cephalopods. Closed type of circulatory system is found in closed type of circulatory system, Annelida, phylum Annelida from invertebrata, and cephalopods and vertebrates all are having closed type of circulatory system. What is false about closed circulatory system? Blood pressure is high and regular, amount of blood is limited, blood circulate through arteries, veins and capillaries, blood pressure is low and irregular, blood pressure is low and irregular is for open vascular system. When the body of an animal can be divided into equal left and right halves by one plane symmetry, it is known as body of an animal can be divided into equal left and right. That means bilateral symmetry. Radial symmetry is shown by Coelenterata, Platyhelminthes, adult echinoderms, both A and C. Coelenterates are having radial symmetry, okay. Platyhelminthes bilateral symmetry. Adult echinoderms, yeah, they have pentaradial symmetry. So A and C is the answer. Most of the sponges are asymmetric. The first diploblastic animal is Coelenterata, Platyhelminthes, Aschelminthes, Annelida. Annelida, Aschelminthes, Platyhelminthes. These three are triploblastic animals. So our answer is Coelenterata. First triploblastic animal is phylum Platyhelminthes. Phylum Platyhelminthes to Chordata. The triploblastic condition is seen over. So phylum Platyhelminthes. Achloblastic animal contain three germ layers: ectoderm, endoderm, mesoderm. So answer is all of these. Aschelminths are eucoelomate. Eucoelomates are from Annelida to Chordata. Acylomate, that is phylum Platyhelminthes. Pseudocoelomate. Aschelminths is pseudocoelomate. Which of the following is acoelomate? Porifera, Coelenterata, Platyhelminthes. Among these, which of the following is acoelomate? According to the NCERT, in the end of the chapter, there is a table given that according to them that all of these will be the answer, but in general, the credit goes to phylum Platyhelminthes always, that body cavity absent. We may find some remaining also as acoelomates. Actually, to be or not to be a coelom, body cavity presence require presence of mesoderm. But NCERT says porifera, coelenterata, and other contexts are also acoelomates. So this is little controversial. Metameric segmentation is found in Annelida, Arthropoda, and phylum Chordata. That very regularly asked question in the previous years in the NEET, Annelida, Arthropoda, and Chordata. So here answer is both A and B. Notochord is derived from which layer? Notochord is derived from mesoderm. Which of the following is correct about notochord? It is dorsally situated, it is mesodermal in origin, it is rod-like structure. Yes, all of these. Radial symmetry is shown by radial symmetry, as earlier we have said, Coelenterata and Ctenophora, adult echinoderms are having radial symmetry. All of these. Undifferentiated layer present between the ectoderm and endoderm in Coelenterata is the undifferentiated layer between the ectoderm and endoderm in Coelenterata and Ctenophora. We call them as diploblastic animals, that is mesoglia. Which of the following is correct about metamerism? Metameric segmentation. Every organ shows serial repetition. Body is divided externally as well as internally. Each segment is not supplied with a separate nerve and blood vessels. Among these, the body is divided externally as well as internally in one context. Among the given, we are answered like so. Metamerism is Annelida, Arthropoda, Chordata is given. The true metamerism means this is what we are saying externally as well as internally, which is seen only in case of earthworm. In some animal, the body cavity is not lined by mesoderm. Instead, the mesoderm is present as scattered pouches in between the ectoderm and endoderm. Remember this word, scattered pouches. We call body cavity as pseudocoelom. Following are coelomates, except phylum coelom, true body cavity from phylum Annelida to Chordata. So, Annelida, Platyhelminthes, Mollusca, Chordata are given. So, phylum Platyhelminthes having acoelomate condition. Select the total number of organisms from the following which are sessile: amoeba, euglena, adamsia, spongilla, hydra, jellyfish, earthworm. He is asking about sessile organisms, which means attaches to the substratum. Amoeba is unicellular, leave Euglena is also unicellular. Adamsia, sea anemone from phylum Coelenterata is a sessile organism. Spongilla, freshwater sponge, a sessile. Hydra, yes, sessile organism. Jellyfish is Medusa form, so it's free living. Earthworm, yes, we know that can show the locomotion, not sessile, not attached to any of the substratum. So our answer is Adamsia, Spongilla, Hydra. So these three. Which of the following is incorrect about Porifera? It is a solitary or colonial organisms. Majority live in sea and some live in fresh water. Yes, Spongilla lives in fresh water. Most of them are asymmetric. Yes, all of the above. Members of phylum Porifera are commonly known as phylum Porifera. Phylum Platyhelminth is commonly known as flatworms, and the Aschelminths, roundworms. Poriferans are commonly known as sponges. Water path in sponges is water enters through ostia, enters into spongocoel, exit through osculum. So, ostia, spongocoel, osculum. Unique character of sponges is choanocytes are collar cells line the spongocoel and the canals. Yes, that they are hermaphrodite. They live in marine water. It reproduces asexual means only. In these unique character, I have to select here to say phylum Porifera. Choanocytes are collar cells line the spongocoel. Character possessed by all sponges are that all are freshwater, no, mostly marine, like spongilla, they live in freshwater. All possess tissue level of organization, cellular grade of organization present in phylum Porifera. Tissue level is from Coelenterata and Ctenophora. External fertilization, no, they have internal fertilization, most of them. Hermaphrodite. So, the character possessed by all sponges are they are hermaphrodite, bisexual. Select the total number of statements belonging to the sponges. Cellular level of organization, body is supported by endoskeleton made up of spicules or sponging fibers. Larva stage is morphologically different from adult. Pathway of water transport is helpful in gathering of food, respiratory exchange and removal of waste. Hermaphrodite organism show the power of regeneration. Select the total number of statements which belongs to the phylum sponges. We have to go all they are belongs to the phylum Porifera only. They have cellular level of organization. Body is supported by endoskeleton made up of calcium carbonate or siliceous spicules and spongin fiber. Larva stage, larva itself mean that larva is morphologically dissimilar to the adult. Any larva we can see. The pathway of water transport means a has canal system helpful in gathering food, respiratory exchange and removal of waste. They are hermaphrodite. The previous question also you are saying show the high power of regeneration. Yes. Select the freshwater sponge from the following. Freshwater sponge. Spongilla is the freshwater sponge. Another name for cycon is other name commonly called skypha. So here we have a map the following cycon, skypha, spongilla, freshwater sponge, Euspongia, bath sponge. So our answer is A2, B3, C1. First option. Select the total number of marine sponges from the following. Leucosalinea, Euspongia, Spongilla, Cycon, Hyalonema. Only Spongillidae family which we have one example that is Spongilla. Potamelipid is also there but we did not mention in NCERT. So Spongilla, excepting Spongilla, we can say remaining all are marine here in the given Hyalonema that we don't have that in NCERT now. Leucosalinea is also not there. And at least we know that Spongilla is the freshwater sponge. Remaining all are marine. Spongillidae and Potamelipidae is the families of phylum Porifera are freshwater. Remaining all are going to be marine itself. Primitive multicellular animals having cellular level of organization are sponges. Water enters through minute pores in the body wall into the central cavity of sponges. These minute pores are known as central cavity is known as spongocoel. And osculum is the exit pore. Water exit through osculum. So here asked is through minute pore, enters through minute pore, that is ostia. In sponge, the sperm and ova are produced by the same individual. Such type of organisms are called. We call them as hermaphrodite. Canal system and choanocytes are the characteristic of. Canal system and choanocytes are the characteristic of phylum Porifera. In sponges, commonly seen larvae are, I don't have that in NCERT as present, just for information, parenchyma, amphiblastula, both are belongs to the phylum Porifera. Planula is the larval form of coelenterate. Digestion in sponges is itself occur inside the cells, coionocytes, we call the cell. So digestion in sponges, intracellular digestion we can see. Which of the following is correct about reproduction in sponges? Mode of asexual reproduction such as gemule formation, budding and fragmentation. Fertilization is internal, development is indirect. Yes, all of these. Exogenous budding is seen in case of exogenous budding, endogenous budding at present in NCRT not much mentioned clearly that just for information we are providing in between one or two questions may come out from the different books we are gathering these questions here for these in that manner you may expect at least in every 100 questions in any book Lisa objective biology, Pearson objective biology, whatever the book you are taking that different kinds of books are available in the market. In every 100 questions 3 to 4 questions are coming from out of NCRT, but nowadays last 5 6 years we don't have any question from outside NCRT. Most of the times I'm mentioning here if anything from out of NCRT I'm saying it is just for information, nothing to worry. Exogenous budding is seen in case of Skype. That is not from NCRT. You can ignore. The following characters are related to phylum: aquatic, mostly marine, sessile or free swimming, radially symmetrical animal, and they show polymorphism. That means with all these characters, you have to identify in the given phyla that these characters matches with which phylum. That is Coelenterata. Nidoblast is a characteristic feature of. Nidoblast is a characteristic feature of phylum Coelenterata, which is also called Nidaria. First diploblastic animal showing tissue level of organization in Coelenterata, we have to answer that in the given Gargonia, sea fam, Cycon from phylum Porifera, Taenia from Platyhelminthes, Locus, gregarious pest from phylum Arthropoda. So our answer is Coelenterata, so that's why we are selected Gargonia. Nidoblast is used for anchorage, defense, capture of prey. Yes, all of this. Select the total number of organisms from the following which shows both intra and extracellular digestion. Physalia, Pleurobrachia, Taenia, Culex, Apis, Nereis, Echinus, Salpa, Meandrinum, Penatilla, Doliolum, Catla, Hyla, Adamsia, Gargonia, and Tinoclara. So from all of these, we have to find out total number of organisms from the following which shows both intra and extracellular digestion. Okay. So we continue with these questions in the part 2. So in animal kingdom onwards we get started. So we are going to do all the questions from all the chapters here till NEET examination. So try to be with the channel, try to subscribe the channel. NEET Srika. Any of the chapter for explanation for NCRT based single sentence questions and for the multiple choice questions for exemplar for previous years. Just in the end of the chapter, what needs Srikant? Like breathing and exchange of gases, breathing and exchange of gases needs Srikant. If individual heart anatomy needs Srikant. Likewise. Okay.